Happy Planner Wednesday. And this spread is from August the 6th through August the 12th. And what I'm going to be doing is another classic movie, Somewhere in Time, starring Jane Seymour and Christopher Reeves. And I love this movie. I thought that I had done it already, and I hadn't. I had a viewer say, if you've never seen this movie, you should watch it, and it would be a beautiful spread. And I told her, well, I thought that I had done it, but if I didn't, I'd go ahead. And turns out I had never done it. I can't believe it. So let me show you the papers that I picked out to use. I made my own stickers, and then I'm going to be using this paper. This just reminds me of her, so delicate and beautiful, and it looks aged to me. And then this is just the time where he goes, it's a very beautiful love story, but he has to go back in time. And then there's a song that's very important in it, and I'm using this Dollar Tree washi that just has, looks like a song written on it. And then I'm just going to be using a bronze Sharpie marker, okay? So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad that everyone loved The Ghost and Mrs. Muir. I loved it too. Okay, I decided I want this to be my dominant paper, so I'm going to cut it first. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down how we want it. I just think this is going to be beautiful. And I really believe it's going to capture the feel for the movie. I think I'll put this one there and this one there. I like that. Okay, let's start to put our paper down. Oh, I love it. It is going to be awesome. I can't believe I hadn't done this movie already. Oh, I'm so glad she mentioned it. I bought my movie at Walmart several years ago around Valentine's Day. They had them. Okay, let's put our washi down. I think this is going to complement this nicely. Oh, I love it. I love Dollar Tree washi. It really is good, I think. Oh, I think that's beautiful. Now I may put some down through here. I think I will. I think I'll like it a lot better. Sort of just sets it off to me. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's put our stickers down. And this just says Somewhere in Time, like the DVD would look. Like I said, I got mine at Valentine's Day, and mine looks a little bit different. And then this is a picture of the Grand Hotel where this all takes place. And this is really a real hotel that you can go and stay in. And then this is, he plays Richard Collier, and he's checking in this hotel. He's a he's a playwright. And then this is in the hotel. He's looking at the Wall of History. And then he's drawn to this picture, and he feels like I think was really seen her before. So he goes to her house. She's passed away. And how this all started is this very old lady came to him. And I have a picture that I printed out, but it's so dark I didn't want to use it. And she gave him a watch and said, "Come back to me." So he just ended up taking a trip, and he passes this hotel and he goes there. So then he's at her at her home where she used to live, and he's looking at this, at her house, and asking her housekeeper, because the old lady's deceased now and her name is Elise, information about her, what she was like and everything. And when she sees the pocket watch, she asks him, "Oh, where did you get that?" She never let it out of her sight. Okay, and then this is the picture that he's mesmerized with. Okay, and then here he's realizing that he knew her before, he was in love with her, and he's trying to go back in time. And he's dressed up just like it would be back in 1912. And then he actually makes it back in time, and he sees Arthur, but as he knew Arthur, this was Arthur today, but this was Arthur when he went back in time. Okay, he was a little boy in the hotel then. And then here's the first time they actually, after he met her again, went and started walking and talking with her. And then here they're sitting at the lake. It's such a sweet, sweet movie. It's a little sad, but it's really sweet. And they fall in love, and she has a manager who had warned her that somebody would come and destroy her, change her life forever. And he seems to already know a lot about her life and what would happen before she even became famous. So it makes you wonder, did he not do time travel too? And then here they are, the night that she performed. And then here they are, she's looking at his watch right here. And then here he's looking at a penny, okay? And I'm not gonna tell you what happens after this because I don't wanna ruin it for you if you watch it. It is a wonderful movie. I didn't do it justice, but it really is good. So now I'm just gonna write a few things I need to do. I really don't need to do that much. Okay, so let's put this back in my planner and take a look at it, but I think it is one of my favorites that I've done. I really do love this. And there is a song that's his song that he loves, and she loves it after she hears it, that goes throughout the movie, and that's where the washi comes in. I love it. I absolutely love this. And I went ahead and just made a small shaker card of her picture. When this picture was actually taken, she'd already told him that she loved him and she was looking at him after a performance. And there's the penny and here's a clock. But like I said, I won't tell you what happened. You'll have to watch it if you want to, if you want to know. But I love how the spread turned out. I love this paper. It looks so vintage, so elegant. I love the washi. I love my stickers. And this is just beautiful. I love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.